Can marital waste impact my divorce settlement? Imagine discovering that some of the money or property you thought was shared was actually misused or wasted by your spouse. That's what marital waste is all about. It happens when one spouse spends, depletes, or mishandles marital assets without the other's approval. This can include things like gambling losses, secret transfers of money, or spending on affairs. It's important because during divorce, all assets and debts accumulated during the marriage are divided fairly. Courts look at whether marital waste occurred when deciding how to split everything. If one spouse can show proof that the other wasted assets, the court might give that spouse a larger share of the remaining property or order the return of lost value. Timing is key. If the wasteful spending happened just before or during the divorce process, it might be viewed more seriously. For example, if one spouse sold a family car below market value or transferred money to a third party right before filing for divorce, that could be considered waste. The spouse claiming waste needs to gather evidence like bank statements, receipts, or witness testimony to prove improper use of assets. Courts want to be fair, so they may adjust the division of property to compensate the wronged spouse. This means the spouse who caused the waste might get less of the marital estate, or the court might order the wasteful spouse to pay back some of the assets. Legal strategies include keeping detailed records of financial transactions and working with a lawyer to build a strong case. Addressing marital waste early can protect your rights and help you get a fairer settlement. Remember, the goal of equitable distribution is to divide assets fairly, not necessarily equally. If you suspect your spouse has wasted marital assets, talking to a legal professional can help you understand your options and ensure your interests are protected. Being aware of marital waste is vital because it can influence how much you receive in the final division of property and debts.